Although the idea of attracting the right person can be fun, it is also something that you have to constantly work on. Otherwise, things can get a little boring and repetitive. The truth is that there are so many things that you could do in order to get a girl excited and turned on, and this is not necessarily based on your physical appearance. A woman is drawn to the way you make her feel, so it's crucial to remember that your actions and thoughts influence how she feels about you. If you keep this in mind and combine it with her preferences, you will be sure to have a more fulfilling relationship. And you might also increase your chances dramatically if you're not together yet. Pay close attention until the end of this video to discover 7 things that turn women on instantly. Listen to her. Undoubtedly, women talk a lot, sometimes to the point where men lose interest and stop paying attention. But you should keep in mind that women talk as a coping mechanism for their distress. They don't always talk to men because they want their advice. If a woman just talks and you are having trouble thinking of what you can do to help her, that's a good sign, because usually this just means that she doesn't really need your help. She simply wants someone who actually listens to her, and this makes her feel better about herself and about you too. Just make sure to actually listen to what she says, since in many cases she just wants to be heard without any judgment. Be affectionate. Women want a strong man who is extremely alpha on the outside, but treats his girl like a queen and always shows her lots of physical affection. Start treating her like this and watch her melt. Pull her closer when the two of you are chilling on the couch. It seems more common for women to actually offer affectionate touches. They may offer a shoulder rub or to caress their partner's arm while they are sitting on the sofa. If they can get the same from you, they will really appreciate it, and it will deepen the connection between you two. Take care of yourself. Women are extremely attracted to men who seek out self-help in order to improve their quality of life. Men who read self-help books or work out are demonstrating modesty in its purest form, which is why women find it so attractive. Go to a nearby bistro or coffee shop with a self-help book, or work out at the local park or gym. And soon you will realize how you start drawing women to you like a magnet. A man who can admit his flaws and actively work to improve himself is a huge turn on, and that also applies when there are some problems with the relationship. Additionally, women are more likely to suggest that a couple sees a therapist because they want to fix what has gone wrong. However, guys are less likely to admit their weaknesses or personality flaws, since they believe asking for help shows weakness to a woman. Well, that is definitely not the case. In fact, a man's willingness to improve his weaknesses is one of his greatest character traits. Be confident. By far, the biggest turn on for women is a guy with confidence. Show off your confident side to the girl in your life, because women love it when a man takes care of himself and stands on his own 2 feet. Being confident is a state of mind, and it is definitely not something that you can achieve once and stay like that forever. It's basically something that should come naturally if you feel good about yourself. Also, be careful not to confuse confidence with arrogance, because that is a huge turn-off to women. Some of the best ways to project confidence is dressing nicely, doing some physical activity that keeps you in shape, being passionate about something, whether it's a hobby or a job. You might also try faking it, and it could work temporarily. But true confidence should come from within naturally, by being satisfied with your own life. compliment her. Just like guys, girls also want to be adored and loved and appreciated, so compliments like "I love how gorgeous your hair is" or "your eyes are so stunning" can definitely work. Now, it's important that you actually mean it and not just say it to sound nice. Of course, you can get a little bit more creative with the compliments depending on the situation. However, be careful not to overdo them because you could easily give her the wrong impression if all you do is compliment her, especially if you only compliment her physical appearance. Remember, she wants a guy to make her feel respected and appreciated, which is why she is attracted to you in the first place. Be funny. Men who can make women laugh are much more attractive to women. In fact, it's such a turn on that it helps women fall in love more quickly than if they were seeing someone who didn't make them laugh. Studies have shown that most people find it crucial that their partner has a great sense of humor. Women adore a man who doesn't take himself or life in general too seriously and can have a genuine laugh with them at the end of the day. That doesn't mean you have to be goofy or inappropriate, but if you can make her giggle in all kinds of situations, you basically won her heart. Stay in shape. Now, I'm not referring to rock hard abs here, but obviously there are some girls who go crazy about that. Instead, what women find appealing is your true physical strength. If a woman notices that a man has chest muscles and wide shoulders, she will automatically think that he has acquired a good physical strength. This can be attractive because back in the days of the caveman, women were most drawn to men who were extremely strong physically because they knew that they could defend them from harm if necessary. This doesn't really apply anymore to this extent. Typically, women find a man's lovely, lean shape to be more attractive than his bulky muscles. If you stay in a good shape, or at least try your best to do so, it's a win-win situation since it will make you look and feel better, and she will also find you more attractive both physically and mentally because of your efforts. If you found value in this video, please smash that like button and consider subscribing.